I was missing on the car when I bought it. And Wolfsburg West has this, a nice quality. So, and all the clips go with it. So I'm gonna put that on. Stay tuned. Okay, I got all the old clips off and cleaned the rust stains off. And now I'm gonna start sliding the clips on with a new piece of trim. These are pretty cool. They just pop in there and then you bend this tab, just twist it, and then it's locked in there. So it pops in like that. And then you twist that from behind. Alright, let me get this on there. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, there it is installed. What a difference a piece of trim makes. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.